Hi everyone, welcome back to Fat Cat Toy Collector. Today we'll be making this Lego witch. This is a scary witch that's just special for Halloween. There are 71 pieces and it comes in this bag. Let's open it up. Let's make sure we have all the pieces. Here are the instructions. Let's see. And there's another little bag just for the small pieces. Okay, are you ready to start? Okay, there's the witch. She has 2 ugly teeth and bright red eyes. She has yellow hair and a green face and a big nose. She has a big pointy hat, which I think goes that way. Well, that's it for this toy. Thanks for joining us at Fat Cat Toy Collector, and see you soon!